The number one monetization mistake that new YouTubers make. This is the biggest thing that holds new YouTubers back from actually monetizing their YouTube channel. And it's so simple to see once you know about it. So I want to show you a couple of examples of successful YouTube channels so you can see why they're successful, so that you can learn from this video and monetize your YouTube channel quicker. I'm going to show you our channel and I'm going to show you other successful YouTube channels that have monetized. And I want you to have a look at the pattern that you start to see. What do you notice about these channels? What do they all have in common? It's one thing that they're all doing. They're publishing lots of YouTube videos, and this allows YouTube to understand who they should be showing their videos to. The more videos you publish on your channel, the quicker you're going to be able to grow your YouTube channel and get to monetization. I see far too many new YouTubers, especially inside our YouTube community, who want to monetize their YouTube channel, but they sit on the sideline. They're procrastinating for far too long. They're actually holding themselves back from achieving their goals. And a lot of this comes down to the fear of putting yourself out there, being worried about what everyone's going to think about you and your videos on YouTube. But I'll let you in on a little secret. Everyone else is too busy being worried about their lives to care too much about the videos that you're publishing on your YouTube channel. So it's okay to publish videos that you feel aren't completely perfect. This is going to help you push past that fear and get used to and more comfortable with publishing more videos on your YouTube channel. The more videos you can publish, the quicker you're going to learn and the more chances you're going to have out there for YouTube to find your audience and help you get the subscribers that you need and the watch hours that you need in order to get monetized on YouTube. 2026 is the year for you to take action and start publishing your videos. So we're going to make this video so that you can stop consuming YouTube videos and actually go out there and start becoming a creator. This shift is one of the most important steps that you need to take in order to grow your YouTube channel and to shift from consumer to creator. We need to stop consuming so many YouTube videos and start creating more videos that are valuable for our audience so that we can start growing our YouTube channel and getting you to monetization. So comment down below. I'm going to take action on my YouTube channel. This is your year to grow your YouTube channel and get monetized. If you want support along the journey and you want to join a community of other like-minded YouTubers who are also going out there and taking action and busy with the journey of shifting from consumer to creator, then I'll leave a link for you in the description down below so you can come across and join us in our Easy Views YouTube community so we can support you and help you on your YouTube journey. I cannot wait to see the next video that you've got to publish. Make sure you share it in the community as soon as you've done so, and good luck creating your next video. I can't wait to see it.